Hello everyone, this is Prakhar from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Sai Charan with us who has successfully got placed in Platform Commons. Today we'll be discussing with him that how he has basically managed to get into this particular role and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in his journey. So let's get started. Hi Sai Charan, how are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. So, if you can explain, how you basically got introduced to Smart Interviews.
In our college, which is located in Narsapur in Telangana,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
we have a program called APT training, which is nothing but
Mm-hmm.
advanced programming, so which is conducted by Smart Interviews. So we have different phases in it. Like phase zero would be just a beginner level. If we qualify in it, we'll get into the phase one and phase two. So I was a phase one student. Then I thought of going into Android development. So I opt out of phase two. So until phase one, I was doing pretty good, and the Spark interviews has helped in increasing my logical ability and also DSA part.
Hmm. And what do you think about Smart Interviews? Like how we were able to help you out with the curriculum that we have provided and the teaching that we have provided.
Yeah, I felt the curriculum is very structured. Like it's going in a very smooth manner. Like if I join Smart Interviews without any prior coding knowledge, also I can get it. I can get into it because the teaching was also pretty much very easy to understand, easy to grasp. I was also recommending
Okay.
my juniors to get into Smart Interviews.
Okay. And if you can a little bit introduce yourself, where have you been placed and how much package you have got and how would that particular story happen?
Yeah. So I got placed into a company called Platform Commons, which is
Mm-hmm.
located in Bangalore. It is completely remote job. So
Okay.
the package was around 4.5. As I was a fresher, I was not expecting that
Mm-hmm.
much. And I'm an Android developer in that company. So
Mm-hmm.
recently I joined and I got a project in my hand. I'm working on it. So the process that I have got is we have this WhatsApp group for the smart interviews. In that we got a posting for looking for freshers for an Android developer and Platform Commons, and I applied it. So within a week, I got a phone from the Smart Interviews team itself that we
Mm-hmm.
have given an assignment. We have given an assignment to do an app. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
which has a deadline of around 24 hours. So I have completed the app and I've submitted it. And then
Mm-hmm.
after again around 1 week or I think below 1 week, I got an interview call, which is technical round. And then
Mm-hmm.
after clearing that technical round, I went into HR round. And then after
Mm-hmm.
that, I went into the co-founder interviews.
Mm-hmm.
So where the
Okay.
co-founder of the company interviewed me, and I
Mm-hmm.
got selected.
That's great. That's great. And congratulations from our side. We are glad that we were able to help you out with the things that was needed by you. And we can see like there's an ocean before you. You have to swim in it. So yeah. Okay. So what's the one thing that you have observed and learned during your time with Smart Interviews?
Uh, the observation, like I was perfect in C++ language. I thought in the starting, in a resume, we need to have more languages like C++, Python, and Java. Then after getting
Mm-hmm.
into smart interviews, they have given me a clear idea. If you have a single language, you need to master in it. So,
Mm-hmm.
and the smart interviews, in the classes also, uh, they have explained each and every code in different languages. Like they didn't give detailed explanation, but I got a good
Mm-hmm.
idea in it. So in this way, smart interviews helped me in getting my logical ability
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
stuff.
And what you have learned through the interview process as well.
So interview process is to first, I didn't have the technical round in the sense I have a technical round on Android side of things, not the DSA part. So I felt we need to be more strong in basics rather than learning some advanced topics.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And how did you find the interview process and and the support provided by Smart Interviews?
Yes, the support because I have constantly messaging Smart Interviews team that what happened to my interview. Like if you see my
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp chat also, every day one message will be there. And the
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, which is from the Smart Interviews, has helped me very well. And even first the package is around 4 lakhs, but the ma'am has talked to the HR and then it
Mm-hmm.
got increased to 4.5 LPA. In that way, I'm very glad to be a Smart Interviews alumni.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Were there any challenges or obstacles that you have faced in your academic journey, personally or otherwise? And if so, like how did you overcome them?
I'm an ECE graduate. So first I thought to go in the ECE stream, like to learn all the ECE core stuff but slowly I don't know how it went. I learned coding and I went into Android development and I have applied for the Android developer jobs and left the ECE core jobs aside.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, and so like when you left the EC branch, I mean, as in like you have done your engineering in EC, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so like you haven't like left it, but like you didn't have any interest in that, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. I didn't want to
Yeah.
get into that core side of jobs.
Okay, okay, okay. And like, so how did you find the transition from like EC to coding, or like, or we can say like the computer science?
Initially, I learned C language, like it's for my
Mm-hmm.
academic purpose. And
Mm-hmm.
when the smart interviews notification came, like we are opening
Mm-hmm.
admissions, then
Mm-hmm.
all my friends were getting into that. So thought I would also go there and learn something new. From there
Mm-hmm.
onwards, my coding journey has started.
Okay, okay. So like, how's the like experience like going on in that company?
The experience is really good because from learning coding onwards, I thought of going into Android development because the web
Mm-hmm.
development side is pretty much crowded. So I want to differentiate myself. So I have learned Android development, and I thought to go in that stream only to get that job. So I
Mm-hmm.
felt once I got the Android developer job, I felt really happy because knowing skills and doing it makes us easy rather than learning new and also as well as doing the job on the same field.
Mm-hmm. Nicely said. Like that's the good thing that you think like that. So so like recommend smart interviews to others. So would you recommend that? And like if so, why?
Yeah, because my juniors are also there. They are also from P. College. I was talking to them, and I recommended smart interviews to a couple of people. I think they are also joining and they are attending classes regularly. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because I thought it has a good curriculum. Because some students would buy DSA courses from outside. I think which doesn't add some value to it because having one-on-one discussion is much more knowledgeable than learning it through online or through courses. So
Mm-hmm.
I thought having smart interviews in our college makes it very helpful to junior students to learn to go in that DSA path to get some structured
Mm-hmm.
curriculum. So yeah, I recommended many of my juniors.
Hmm. Hmm. First of all, thanks for that, and thanks for the kind words that you are promoting outside. And is your family happy with what you have like got right now? And like how do you think that they have reacted when you told them that you got the job?
Their face were blown, but they can't express that happiness outside. As a parents,
Mm-hmm.
they can't express their happiness outside. So yeah, they were very happy. Before getting a job, my father used to ask what about the campus placement. Now he is completely free and he's also not asking me anything.
Hmm. Like, yeah, that's like they basically worry about all these things, like because after this, like you have to get into the real world and like how you're gonna face it. So they basically
Yeah,
worry about a lot of things. So yeah,
yeah,
typical parents can't help it.
yeah.
So yeah, that's all from my side, Sai. It was nice having a chat with you, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comment what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.